Hello, my fellow astronomy enthusiasts. Today we'll be discussing the most exciting topic in the universe, black holes. And not just any black holes, we're talking about supermassive black holes that are on a collision course. Sounds exciting, right? Well, let's dive right into it. Black holes are a fascinating subject in astronomy. They are objects in space with so much mass and gravity that not even light can escape them. Now, imagine two of these black holes coming together in a cosmic dance of destruction. According to the article on SciTechDaily, NASA is tracking two supermassive black holes that are on a collision course, and when they collide, it will cause a ripple effect throughout the universe. When two supermassive black holes collide, they will merge into one massive black hole. The energy released during this event will cause a gravitational wave that will ripple through the universe. It is even possible that these waves could be detected by the Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory, LIGO, here on Earth. While it may seem like this collision is happening in our backyard, these supermassive black holes are actually located in a distant galaxy known as J1205. This galaxy is about 375 million light-years away from us, which means we won't be able to see the collision happen in real time. But thanks to the wonders of modern technology, we'll be able to see the aftermath of the collision and learn more about black holes and their behavior. So, what happens when these supermassive black holes collide? Well, according to scientists, the collision will release an enormous amount of energy, which will create a powerful jet of radiation. This radiation jet will be ejected from the newly formed black hole and can be detected by telescopes. This collision of supermassive black holes will also have a significant impact on the surrounding galaxy. The merger will cause a disturbance in the galaxy's gas and dust, which will trigger the formation of new stars. This process is known as a starburst, and it is an essential part of galaxy formation and evolution. In conclusion, the collision of supermassive black holes is a significant event that will impact the universe in many ways. It is an exciting time for astronomers, and we can't wait to see what new discoveries will be made. If you're interested in learning more about space and black holes, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell, so you don't miss any future videos.